Welcome back to itsNatzysKitchen. Today I'm gonna be making a Japanese cotton sponge cake. This sponge cake does not have any butter or baking powder. So without further ado, let's see what ingredients we need to make this sponge cake. We'll be needing half a cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 4 eggs. It's better if you can use cold eggs because it helps to separate easily. Then 3 tablespoons of flavorless oil. I'm using sunflower oil. Then 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon or lime juice, a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Into a bowl, sift the flour and corn flour for about 5 times. This helps to get the cottony texture of the sponge cake. Next, separate the egg whites and yolks. We do not want even a single trace of egg yolk in our egg whites. Then whisk the egg yolks. Add the 3 tablespoons of sugar and whisk until the sugar is dissolved. Then add the oil, milk, and the vanilla extract and whisk until combined. Now add the flour mixture into the egg yolk mixture in 3 batches. Make sure to whisk well after each addition. Line a 7-inch round pan with parchment paper. I used an A4 paper brushed in flavorless oil. Now start beating the egg whites with an electric mixer until stiff peaks form. Make sure to let your egg whites come to room temperature before you start beating because warmer egg whites whip faster than cold ones. Add the lemon or lime juice and the salt. Then add the 2 tablespoons of sugar, making sure to add half a tablespoon at a time. Next, gently fold in the meringue into the egg yolk mixture in small batches. Fold gently until no lumps are left, but make sure not to overmix the batter because then the cake will become more denser. Slowly pour the batter into the prepared cake pan from a higher position. This will give the batter a final smooth mix. Then tap it on the countertop for about 4 to 5 times. Then place the cake pan inside a larger cake pan. Fill the larger cake pan with hot water to reach up to 1 inch. Finally, bake the cake at 150 Celsius in the lowest rack of your oven. Check the cake after 40 minutes and if the cake has not expanded, check again after 20 minutes. My cake baked for exactly an hour. If the cake has expanded and the color at the top of the cake is golden brown, then your cake is done baking. So turn off the oven and let the cake rest in the oven for about 5 minutes. Then take the cake out from the oven and let it cool in the cake pan for about 15 minutes. The cake will slightly shrink when cooling. Tap the cake pan on the countertop for about 2 to 3 times. The ingredient measurements and the method is in the description box down below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel right here and click down here for more of my recipes.